Morning, dear students. Today we will do maths of class 5th. We will solve question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 4.6. Dear students, with an activity we will learn to do comparing and ordering of fractions. Here I have 4 circles of equal sizes. The first one has 2 equal parts. Its colored special parts fraction is 1 by 2. Here there are 3 equal parts of the circle. Its colored special parts fraction is 1 by 3. Now in this circle there are 4 equal parts of the circle. Its colored special parts fraction is 1 by 4. Dear students, here there are 8 equal parts of circle. Its colored special parts fraction is 1 by 8. Dear students, now we will cut these colored special parts of the circles and compare them with each other. Dear students, out of these colored special parts of the circles, which seems to be the biggest one and which seems to be the smallest one? Yes, the part with 1 by 2 fraction seems to be the biggest and part with 1 by 8 seems to be the smallest. Dear students, that means fraction 1 by 2 is the greatest fraction and 1 by 8 is the smallest fraction out of these fractions. Dear students, we can see that numerators of all these fractions are same but denominators are different. It means when numerators of fractions are equal, then fraction with smallest denominator will be largest and fractions with largest denominator will be smallest. Dear kids, in another example, here I have 2 paper strips. Both are of equal size and they have 7 equal parts. In first one, out of 7 equal parts, 2 colored special parts fraction is 2 by 7. And in this figure, out of 7 equal parts, 4 colored parts fraction is 4 by 7. Dear students, we will cut these colored special parts of the strips and compare them with each other. Kids, which part seems to be the bigger one and which seems to be the smaller one? Yes, the part with fraction 4 by 7 is bigger one and part with fraction 2 by 7 is smaller one. Kids, that means fraction 4 by 7 is greater than fraction 2 by 7. Kids, we can see that denominators of both these fractions are same but numerators are different. So it means if two fractions has same denominator, then fraction with larger numerator is greater and fraction with smaller numerator is smaller. Dear students, now we will solve question number 1 and question number 2 of exercise 4.6. First question is find the greater fraction for each part of the following. We will do part A and H. Dear students, part A is out of these two fractions, which one is the greater? Kids, you have already learnt that when numerators of fractions are equal, then fraction with smallest denominator will be largest. In these two fractions, the denominator of fraction 2 by 3 is smaller one, so this fraction is greater fraction. Dear students, in part H, out of these two fractions, we have to find the greater fraction. Dear students, you have already learned that if two fractions has same denominator, then fraction with larger numerator is greater. Dear students, fraction 7 by 8 has larger numerators, so this is the greater fraction. Kids, now we will do question number 2. Find the smaller fraction for each part of the following. We will solve part B and F of this. Part B is out of 5 by 8 and 5 by 12, which is smaller fraction. Kids, You all know that here when numerators of two fractions are equal, then fraction with larger denominator will be smaller. Dear students, in these two, 5 by 12 fraction has larger denominator. So this is the smaller fraction. Part F is we have to find smaller fraction out of these two fractions. Dear students, you all know that here if two fractions has same denominator, then fraction with smaller numerator is smaller. Here in fraction 5 by 12, 5 numerator is smaller. So 5 by 12 fraction is smaller fraction. Kids, now you have to solve rest parts of question number 1 and 2 yourself. Thank you.